Hey guys, what's going on? This is Karol yet with another online marketing video, and today we're going to look at the importance of video marketing and how it can benefit your business. Alright, so without further ado, let's get straight into it and let's have a look what exactly is this video marketing. Alright, first of all, we need to understand that video marketing is the marketing of today. Right, it's not of past, okay, not of yesterday, it's not of future, but it's of today. It's happening right now. Alright, everybody just love videos, so if you're not using video in any sort in your business, you're missing out big time. Alright, now I don't care what kind of business you're using, alright, or you're working in. It can be a brick and mortar store, an e-shop, it can be online marketing business, whatever it is. If you're not using video, you're missing out. Alright, so we're going to go through a few ways how you can actually leverage it, alright? But the main point of this video is going to be how the video can actually empower your business, alright? And I'm going to lay out the three most important ways how video benefits your business, alright? So without further ado, let's get straight into our first point, and it's going to be the actual relationship between you and your customers, alright? Your potential viewers or your potential customers. All right, so first of all, I'm going to put it over here, relationship. All right, now guys, why is the relationship so important? If you follow my channel, you probably noticed that I refer to this relationship quite often, and it's just so powerful because people love to connect with other people. All right, and it's just really about the emotions. All right, people don't buy, or kind of like, the purchase-based decisions of people are not based on rational reasoning, but more about the emotional ways, or the emotions that we have towards either the brand or the person who is selling it. All right, it's all about those emotions. So it's not really, when you buy, for example, an iPhone, why do you buy your iPhone? Okay, it's not because it's the best product for the quality or the cheapest one, all right? It's because you like the brand, right? You like Apple, you like iPhone because you trust them, all right? You like them and this is what I want, all right? You probably can get the same or very similar specifics, all right, technically from a, I don't know, $300, $400 worth Chinese brand, all right? But you want the $1,200 iPhone or whatever is the price now at the moment. I lost track of that. Anyway, so this is why the relationship is so important to build, all right? Because people love to connect, all right? People love to connect with you, with other people, with other businesses. They want to know who is behind the offers, all right? Who is behind this offer? Who is there? Who is behind that? I want to know who I am buying from, if that makes sense, right? And as you build this relationship, you capture and get into the know, like, and trust factor. All right, I'm going to put it over here. Know, like, and trust factor is very, very important in business. All right, hope it's readable. Know, like, and trust factor means that people are going to buy from you only when they know you, like you, or trust you. All right, that's exactly like the example with the iPhone. All right, you buy the iPhone because you know them. All right, you know the brand, you trust them, and you pretty much like them as well. All right, that's why you're buying from them. You don't buy randomly because it's whatever, right? You don't buy a random phone from an unheard Chinese brand. Okay, you first of all, you're gonna do some research, right, to know them, and then probably you will like them and trust them, maybe after some experiences. All right, but with iPhones or whatever else, Nike brands or whatever, you know them and you trust them, and that's why you buy from them, even though it's more expensive than any other brand. So if you really create and grasp this relationship between you and your customers, they are going to come to your business rather than to your competition. All right, even though the competition is going to be cheaper, even though the competition is going to have better products, they are going to come to you because they know you, like you, and trust you. All right, and video is the best way how to develop this. All right, because from a stranger, from a strange business, or stranger, nobody knows who is behind that business, suddenly there is a person, all right? Or suddenly there is, somebody in behind from that, you know. So now they know who is behind all of that, and that's how you can connect. All right, so that's the number one thing. The second point we're going to talk about is attention or entertainment. All right, now why is it so important? Entertainment. Why is it so important to grab the attention or entertain people? All right, first of all, video grabs the attention in the best way. All right, people love videos. People love, you know, especially online, when you put a video online, people love getting information online. All right, and video is the most popular way of getting that information. All right, people go online mainly, all right, in 21st century, or you know, in 2021, they are going online to get information. All right, and we don't really like reading, you know, like blogs are fine, but we don't really like reading because it's too difficult. All right, it is like, you know, it's really tiring and just too much work to do, while a video is just, you just play it, you know, and listen to it and have everything. All right, so that's why with video you grab their attention, right, and you get the information to them, the information that you want to give them. All right, now if you can, at the same time as you're giving them the information, the valuable information, if you can entertain them at the same time, all right, then you hit the jackpot. All right, because people love entertainment. All right, if you can give them the information and in between put some jokes, you know, or something, you know, like 20% of entertainment, 80% of the information, then they're going to love you and they're definitely going to connect with you way easier. All right, so that's why. And you know, why video? Because in video you put more out, people see more than in any other way. All right, because it's not only about how you speak or what you say, but it's also what you do, how you act, how you react, and all of that stuff, all of these subtle details. That's what people love, that's what people remember. I'm not sure why is it so, but people remember these small details, and that's how you connect with them. All right, so that's number two. And our third point today is going to be getting personal. All right, now personal. Why is it so important to be personal? Why is it so helpful? Why should you care? First of all, it's all connected with the relationship. All right, now why do you think being personal, all right, having that personal touch with the customer is so helpful? Because people like the personal touch. All right, whatever, if you go into a brick and mortar store, all right, and you're handled, or how to call it, the customer service or customer representative, you know, really helps you and is, you know, dealing with you as really in a really personal way, you know, you have a really great time with them and everything, you're going to remember that experience. All right, and you know, that experience alone can change your purchase-based decisions. All right, and that's just in a brick and mortar store. Now imagine what you can do with this, you know, online or with a video. With video, you know, why do you think personal trainers go out there and show on a video trainings, exercises their body or whatever else it is? It's because they want to get personal. All right, people love these personal things because, you know, now on the video they can see all the small details, you know, like they can literally, now they can see you, like you, and or don't like you at the same time, right? You will have both of these people, both of these groups, liking and don't liking. All right, but you will see this, and people love these small details, like the way you speak, the way how you know, how you sound, the way how you smile, how you laugh, whatever the mistakes you do, all of these subtle details. And that's why video is so good for this, because you show everything out there. All right, and people can see everything, and that's how you create exactly the relationship and all of that stuff. All right, now guys, if you're, you know, I'm telling this from an online marketing perspective. All right, I'm using this for my affiliate marketing business, but you can definitely leverage video marketing whatever business you're in. If you're in, if you have an e-shop with physical products or a brick and mortar store with physical products, you can create videos that show how to use the products, some tips and tricks, or how to do maintenance for these products. It's very important, and many people just don't know how to do it. All right, so you can be creative with that. You can definitely find ideas for your particular business and just have fun with that. All right, that's gonna be the best thing, how to grab the attention and the entertainment as well. All right guys, so this is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments below what you think about it. Give me a thumbs up, and listen guys, if you're interested in knowing and finding out how I use video marketing for my affiliate marketing business, then go ahead and grab my 4-day video series down there in the description, and you will get full access. It's completely free. All right, so if you decide so, I will see you inside. If not, then I wish you a great week ahead, and I will see you in the next videos. Bye guys.